Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to go back in the past on Google Maps. Now let's say around 10 years, maybe further or maybe less further, but I want to go back with you guys on Google Maps. Alright, first of all, we need to search for Google Maps like this, click on that, and then we click on Google Maps. Now, let's say we zoom out and I want to go to my main city nearby Amsterdam. Now, let's say we zoom a little bit in, and right now I want to place this orange marker, the street view marker, somewhere in the streets. Now, keep in mind that you only can place this marker in a street that is blue. So let's say I want to place it just right here, and right now you see here this street in Amsterdam. Now, left here in the top, you see here this picture that was took in September 2024. And right now, if I click here on see more dates, you see a lot more dates from this place. So right now here in the bottom, if I click here on 2022, you can see this place in 2022. But right now, if you go more to the right, you can see here Google Maps or this place in 2008. Look at the difference. This is awesome, guys. So this is exactly how you can do this. And if I, Alright, this is exactly how you can do this. And if I helped you out, please let me know that in the comments. But if I did, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.